Welcome to Frequency Matters, the RF Microwave Update Series. I'm Pat Hindle, and I'm here with my co-host Eric Higham. We're coming to you from IMS 2023 in San Diego, and it's turned out to be a great show so far. 8,700 registrants so far, and over 2,700 delegates. So great turnout. We're kind of back to pre-COVID levels.
Lots of energy, yeah.
And so I saw a lot of things today that piqued my interest, so I wanted to go over a few of those. We saw an announcement by Menlo Micro in Pickering that they're actually using their MEMS switches in their switch matrices for testing. And these give longer lifetime. They're in billions of cycles instead of millions of cycles. Lower loss, high power handling of 25 watts, so I think it's really going to kind of change the testing configuration of these switch matrices for the future.
Yeah.
And then another big announcement was Analog Devices, and they announced a new mixed signal front end, and this goes to 18 gigahertz. It's a 4 transmit, 4 receive, and it has 4 of the 12-bit ADCs and 4 of the 16-bit DACs, and goes from DC to 18 gigahertz with 10 gigahertz of instantaneous bandwidth. So quite the accomplishment there. I think this is their second version of this mixed signal front end. Should be the backbone of a lot of future designs to come.
Right.
And then on the test and measurement side, we saw Keysight introduce the new ENA-X VNA, and that operates to 44 gigahertz. It has 4 channels, and 2 of these channels are low noise receivers, and they also can up convert. So operating to 44 gigahertz will open up a lot of capabilities there. And then last on the testing side, Rohde & Schwarz has this great compact antenna test range that I've been seeing for a few years now, and they've really developed this out. It can do multiple angles of arrival. It can operate over 100 gigahertz. I think the capabilities could be to several hundred gigahertz in the future. So it's a really great compact tech solution for OTA testing of many different applications. So how about you? What did you see?
Well, in a shameless plug, we just finished the executive forum, and great panel. We had panelists from Rohde & Schwarz, Analog Devices, Qorvo, and Keysight. And I think they gave us a good insight into wireless and 5G and 6G and satellites and things like that. So I think they gave the audience a great view of some of the trends to keep an eye on going forward, some of the trends you and I will be talking about. In addition, stopped by Qorvo, and they're doing a lot of integration for base stations, taking a lot of their components, integrating them together. They've got some great solutions. And I also talked to Dean White. He's an old friend, and he's working with a satellite systems service, if you will. So that's something new for them. They're seeing a lot of demand for satellite in the market, and they're trying to fill that need with doing something a bit out of the box for them. And also a little snapshot so far, we've seen a lot of folks talking about satellites, higher power solutions, again, more integration. So a lot of energy, as I mentioned, and a lot of interesting things so far.
Yeah, I want to say the executive forum went very well, and great job moderating that. And we'll be doing more of those in the future, hopefully several next year.
Yep. So that wraps up this version of Frequency Matters. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.